Today, we will be doing a MYOB integration. Firstly, in your MYOB account, go to Setup and then User Access. Once you have gone to User Access, create a new user and enter in a username, email and password. For this new account, what you will need to do is ensure that you have all of the administrative roles on. Then also ensure that you select to turn off the ability of the user signing in with a MYOB account. Once you have done this, you can select Save and we can then head on back over to TransVirtual. Now that we are back in TransVirtual, we will go to Finance, Other Setup and then Account Packages. In Account Packages, we will then go New Account Package. Select a new account package title. Now what you can do is over on the right hand side, put in the username and password that you used in your MYOB account. Update and then refresh your MYOB link. Log into your MYOB account, then allow access for this TransVirtual MYOB link. Now that you have done this, what you can do is add in any links that are required. Enter in a company file name, a tax link, an income link and expense link. Now all you have to simply do is enable the package and select Update. After you have done this, what we can do is set up an invoice export. Go to EDI, Data Export and then Invoices. Create a new rule and preferably name it after your account package. In our instance, this will be MYOB. Go down to the export framework and change it to an account package. Go into the rules settings and then scroll down to the data filter section, where we will set up this rule to apply when necessary by entering in invoice state equals approved and locked. Now that we have set up the data filter, we will now go to Edit Export Rule Helpers. When in this page, go to New Rule. Once this rule has been created, enter in the rule name, preferably MYOB again, select Create, click into the settings of the rule, and over on the right hand side, you can then enter in your account code, job code, and category. Now that you have done this, ensure to enable and then update. Now go back in to your Export Invoices rule and select Enable Export and update again. Go Home, Customer Lists, then go to your customer, go to Finance, and then create the link with your customer, ensuring that the correct account package settings is selected and selecting the correct link. Now that this is done, go to Finance, Invoices and Customer Invoice Search. Go to any invoice that you currently have. We are using this as an example. Now what we will do is close and then approve and lock. Once you have approved and locked, this rule should now trigger against this invoice. You can check this by looking in the Additional tab. You can see that it is red and pending. Then it will go white once it has successfully gone through. Now we will head back over to MYOB, go to Sales, and then our sales register. Looking in our invoicing section, we can check for the correct date and you will be able to see that the invoice has successfully come across. That is how you do a MYOB integration.